Hey there! So today we're diving into a pretty interesting problem that I stumbled upon while working with Overlayfs. Picture this. You have an overlay mounted on a parent directory of another overlay, and suddenly the lower one vanishes, exposing the root file system. Quite a head-scratcher, right? Let's take a closer look at this unexpected behavior and figure out what's going on. So the solution to this quirky problem lies in how Overlayfs handles the lower directory. When you select a lower dir, you're not just picking a directory tree from the VFS, you're choosing both the directory and the actual file system it sits on. So when another file system gets mounted in a subdirectory of that chosen directory, Overlayfs simply carries on, operating on a single file system per lower dir, upper dir. It's kind of like mount bind, if you're familiar with that concept. So believe it or not, this strange behavior is actually expected, albeit a bit unintuitive at first glance. In summary, tackling the Overlayfs disappearing lower overlay problem uncovered an interesting aspect of how Overlayfs operates. Remember, when dealing with lower dir in Overlayfs, you're not just selecting a directory, you're choosing the entire file system it resides on. Pretty fascinating, right? Well, I hope this sheds some light on the mysterious behavior you observed. Thanks for tuning in. And remember to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or any Overlayfs adventures you've had. Until next time, happy coding.